my name is Gabriel from GabakUSA. In this video we're going to talk about, or we are going to make a review about this patch panel. In this case, the patch panel is from monoprice. So I bought it and it seems to be very good. So I'm going to show you closely with the other camera so you can know all the things that you have to know in order to buy a patch panel. Another thing that you have to make sure is when you buy a patch panel, you're going to find different categories. So one of them will be 5, 5E, 6, and 6A. So once you decide what speed or what kind of cable you're going to be running in your office or home or whatever, and then you are going to buy the patch panel according to the speed or the cable that you are going to use. So now we are going to change the camera so you can see what I have here. So once you buy the patch panel, as you can see, in this case is a 19 inches. So it says professional network product. Here we have, here it says that it's high performance, 100% test, support the norm A and B, and then the type of wire and everything else. So, but basically that is all you're going to find here. And here we're going to see we have this support, the metal support that you're going to see, some 2 screws. So if you want to use a rack, of course, let's see if this kind of screw will fit, but I mean, is for free or is inside of the product itself. So here we have the product. So when you buy it, it comes like that, very close. That is very good because it will prevent the interference. So if you have to install a network or something like that, that is very good. Here on the bottom you have these holes here, so where you're going to hold the cable and everything else. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better or closer. Here we have the ground, so that is very good. And here we have the other side. So usually you are going to lock it with this mechanism. I'm going to show you here. Here you have the little knobs. Here you have the other one. So now you push. I'm going to zoom out so you can see at least the whole thing. So I'm going to show you. Here you have the connectors. So in order to build the network, you're going to strip the cables and use the norm that you want, the A or the B. Once you have done that, you have to make sure that the cable is very close to the contacts. Once you have done that, I'm going to show you what else is on the box. I mean, this is what we're going to use, and this as well. So as you can see here, we have a little piece of, this support with the screws and everything else. And you're going to put it like that. So you put the cable over here and you hold it with this. So I'm going to try to zoom in so that way it will be better for you to understand. So here you have the cable. So you put it here and you use something like that. So you will keep it in its place, and even if someone pulls it a little bit, it will not get disconnected. So that is very important. So you use it like that, and you put the screws that I have here. I'm not going to use because I don't have any cable yet. And after that, once you have the cable that is all over here, you're going to tie it up here, and that way it will work and you won't have any problems. So that way any movement will be reduced. And here as well, so it will try to prevent any movement. Another thing that you have to think that is very good, it comes with this thing that I told you already. This is for the interference. So because when you strip the cables, of course some interference or not, but if you can prevent it much better. You're going to see different sizes. You have maybe 1 unit, like in this case you have 2 units, maybe 4 units. So as you can see here we have 1 unit, and this is 1 unit. As if you're thinking, well, but this is shorter than this one, yeah, but you're not going to be able to use 2 of these in 1 unit. As you can see, once you use it, you use 2 holes, that's it. I mean, it's nice that it's very short. I mean, it will save you a little bit of space on the rack, but other than that, that is all you're going to see. So that is basically the mini review. If you have to buy one of these, I mean, this brand looks fine. I mean, looks very sturdy, very nice. And you have many brands. Try to buy something new. New and something that it has good reviews. If you want to go to Amazon or something like that, make sure it has a lot of stars and everything, and people are happy. Because if you buy something crappy, you're going to have a lot of troubles in your network. So this brand is good. You can buy maybe Penduit or Furukawa is another brand. Also AMP, that is another very good brand. So if you keep in the good brands, you will be okay. And this monoprice looks fine. I mean, I read the reviews and it seems to be fine, and it has a warranty and everything. So I hope it was useful for you, and remember to subscribe, and see you next time. And if you have any question, leave it in the comments section below. Bye.